Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 32, light. In this worksheet we will discuss about our care of our eye. Our eyes are priceless, so it is necessary that you take proper care of your eyes. So what should we do? We should not study in very low and very bright light. It may cause eye or headache. ये आई प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकती है और क्या कर सकती है हमको हेडेक. सो वी शुड नॉट स्टडी इन वेरी लो एंड वेरी ब्राइट लाइट. रेगुलर एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ अवर आईज शुड बी डन. क्या करना चाहिए? आफ्टर रेगुलर इंटरवल्स वी शुड रेगुलर एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ आई शुड बी डन. इफ़ अ डॉक्टर एडवाइस यूज़ ऑफ ग्लासेस वन शुड डू द सेम. अगर डॉक्टर आपको लेंस पहनने के लिए एडवाइस करता है देन वी शुड डू द सेम. डू नॉट लुक डायरेक्टली एट सन, फ्लैश लाइट और लेज़र. इट कैन डैमेज द रेटिना. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? वी शुड नॉट लुक डायरेक्टली एट ब्राइट लाइट लाइक सन और फ्लैश लाइट. It can damage our retina. Next, we should not rub our eyes. If any dust particle fall into the eyes, then the eye should be washed with clean water and we should go for eye checkup. Next, wash your eyes with clean water at least 3 or 4 times a day. दिन में कितनी बार? दिन में 3 or 4 times we should wash our eye with clean water. Keep the book at the normal distance while reading. If kept too close or far away, eye damage can occur. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We should keep our books or notebooks at a normal distance while reading. And it is minimum distance is 25 centimeter. Vitamin A deficiency causes a disease called night blindness. तो अगर हमारी बॉडी में डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है विटामिन ए की तो कौन सी डिसीज़ होती है बच्चों? नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. सो कंज्यूम विटामिन ए रिच फूड लाइक रॉ कैरेट, कैबेज, green vegetables in the maximum quantity. Vitamin A is found in plenty in cod liver oil, milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, and in fruits like mango and papaya. So we should eat green vegetables and vitamin A rich food for proper functioning of our eyes. These are the top 10 super foods for eyes. ये आपको जो फूड्स के नाम लिखे हुए हैं these are sources of vitamin A, good sources of vitamin A. Spinach, carrot, blueberries, strawberries, walnut, avocado, peppers, ये जो आप शिमला मिर्च खाते हैं वो, स्वीट पोटैटो, broccoli, almonds और बादाम. So all these are rich source of vitamin A. Now check yourself. The image of an object is made on which part of the eye? So image of an object is made on retina on the eye. Retina of the eye. Question number 2. Describe human eye with its diagram. You can make diagram with the help of your book or you can make diagram very easily. Here the diagram I have drawn for you. This part is called, this one is lens, this part is retina, and this one is optic nerve. Optic nerve. These two muscular part is iris. This is called iris and this part is called cornea. And these are ciliary muscles. These muscles are called ciliary muscles. So this is the label diagram of eye. You can make a diagram from your textbook or NCERT book. Next question is, हाउ आर वी एबल टू वॉच मूवीज़? मूवीज़ कैसे देख पाते हैं? लास्ट वर्कशीट में we have read this. The movies that we see are actually a number of separate pictures in proper sequence. They are made to move across the eye, usually at the rate of 24 pictures per second, faster than the 16 per second, because the image of an object on our eye persists for about 1/16 seconds. So we see the moving pictures. Next question is, name the disease caused by vitamin A deficiency. So which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin A? It is night blindness. Name of disease is night blindness. And to avoid this, which food should be used as much as possible? So what food should we eat? We should consume green vegetables, carrot, raw carrot, green vegetables and cabbage, also cod liver oil, milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, and fruits like mango and papaya in sufficient quantity to avoid the night blindness. Or proper care of eyes. For proper care of eyes, we should eat food rich in vitamin A. Next question is, how to take care of your eyes? Write 4 measures. So you have to write 4 measures. You can write any 4 measures for taking the care of your eyes. These are given to you in the worksheet. Thanks for watching.